Welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you manage your saved searches. Before I show you the tool, let's quickly review saved searches. On the home page, you'll have an accordion that displays your searches. Your label may be different because it's customizable. These are essentially filters for the data that's in your system. To create a saved search, you start by searching. You can search in the advanced area on a number of criteria. You could search for records that belong to a specific rep, records that were entered during a certain time frame, records with a certain lead status hot, for example. In this case, I'm going to just search for all the records in the database by clicking Go. Here's my search result. To save, I go up to Page Options and say Save this search. I give it a name. I specify whether or not it's public. This means, is it going to be viewable? Is this search going to be viewable by everyone? If I say yes, it will be. In this case, I'm just going to save it for me. And now I can apply the security or not. If I apply the security, that means people that do not have access to the record will not see it. In this case, I'm going to bypass security. So that means anyone who has access to this search will see all the records. I click Submit. To see that in my list, I just refresh the accordion. And here's all records. Now, let's take a look at a tool to help us manage these saved searches. Go to Admin, choose Manage Saved Searches. This is an administrative privilege and you may not have access, in which case you'll need to contact either your LeadMaster representative or your administrator. The first thing we want to do is mouse over My Searches. This shows a list of all of the searches in the workgroup. So for example, here's all records. I saved it for myself. With this tool, you can add users. It'll show you all of the users for the workgroup. You can select one or more. You can also filter. So for example, if I want to say, show me just the account managers. If you have a lot, you can also search. You can also remove individual users. You'll notice that this shows me the search criteria as well as whether or not this search has security applied and whether or not it's public. I can also download this entire list. This concludes the video on managing saved searches.